Hey, it's Dent Company here. We are on Stillwater Avenue, 1659 Stillwater Avenue. We have an F350 here today that was in a severe hailstorm. And it's a little hard to see the dents down the side on this, but this bedside here has about 50 dents. The doors have about 25 or 30 dents, and the fender the same. But what we're going to do is we're going to do paintless dent repair on this, and this will look perfect again. Bring it back to brand new. The windshield will have to be replaced, and as you can see here is the finished product, and it looks great. We're at 1659 Stillwater Avenue, 307-399-6045. And if you have hail damage, dents, we'll take care of you. We'll get your vehicle back to new again, just like this F350. Talk to you later.